I don't know how to say this, but feel completely broken. It's been weeks since the breakup, but the pain just stays.
Come here. You don't have to pretend to be strong. Tell me everything. What hurts the most?
It's not just losing him. It's losing the version of myself I was with him. I miss the conversations, the routine, the little things. Even the fights. Everything feels empty now.
That emptiness is normal. When someone has been part of your daily life, the silence after them feels loud. But tell me, are you blaming yourself?
Every single day. I keep thinking, maybe I could have tried harder. Maybe I wasn't enough.
Aisha, listen to me carefully. Breakups don't happen because one person wasn't enough. They happen because the connection stopped fitting who you both were becoming.
But it hurts, the memories hurt. Even the good ones feel sharp.
Healing hurts before it heals. Just like wounds do. But let's talk about how to walk through this pain instead of getting stuck in it. First, stop running from the pain. Feel it. Cry if you need to. Write it out. Talk about it.
But if I start crying, I feel like I'll never stop.
You will. Tears have an expiry. Pain only stays when you hide it. When you let it out, it becomes lighter.
Every place reminds me of him. Every song. Every cup of tea.
That's because your mind attached meaning to those things. Healing isn't deleting memories, it's removing the emotional charge. Slowly, those reminders will hurt less. They'll become part of your history, not your wounds.
Sometimes I think, maybe it wasn't that bad. Maybe I should have stayed.
That's heartbreak talking, not truth. After a breakup, we remember the highlights and forget the red flags.
I do that all the time.
Then remind yourself. If it was truly right for you, it wouldn't have ended.
I don't even recognize myself anymore. It's like I lost my confidence with him.
Then this is your chance to rebuild. Do things that make you feel alive again, walk, write, spend time with friends, start a hobby. Breakups force us to return to ourselves. And sometimes, that's the biggest blessing.
Keep checking my phone. What if he messages? And sometimes I feel like messaging him.
Don't. Not now. Your heart is in recovery mode. Contact is like scratching a healing wound, it starts bleeding again.
So I should just disappear.
No, just choose yourself over the chaos. Distance is medicine.
I'm angry, hurt, confused. I don't know how to forgive.
Forgiveness isn't saying what you did was okay. It means, I refuse to carry this weight forever. Forgive to free yourself, not them.
Sometimes I feel like I'll never love again.
That's your heart protecting itself, but love doesn't end at a breakup, it evolves. You will love again, differently, better, more wisely, and someone will love you in ways you've never known.
What if I never feel whole again?
You will. Breakups don't break you, they strip away everything fake so the real you can come out. One day, you'll wake up and realize the pain isn't heavy anymore. And you'll smile, not because someone came into your life, but because you came back into your own.
Thank you. Feel lighter. Maybe healing is slow, but not impossible.
Healing isn't a straight line. But you'll get there. And when you do, you'll look back and say, "This pain taught me who I truly am." You're not alone. You're becoming stronger.